The ready-to-learn materials are a math curriculum. The curriculum works on skills from counting, grouping, and adding. Each one of the books in grouping, counting, and adding has a companion book called More Counting, More Grouping, and More Adding to practice the generalization of skills. Each one of the books has Velcro numbers as well as pockets. The Velcro numbers and the pockets in the book allow you to change the order of the problems in the book so the students do not memorize the problems. There are more pieces than you will need for each book, so you can take off the back page of each book and put the extra pieces on and Velcro back onto the back page for storage. The first book in the series is called Ready to Count. Before the student begins the book, you will set up the answers with the Velcro numbers to the left of each page and the corresponding answers in the pockets on the right. As the student completes the book, they will take the correct answer from the left-hand side and match it into the black square on the right. As you can see, some of the answers on the pockets only have the number of items, while on the reverse side, it has the number and the number of items. The next book is More Counting. For this book to set up, you will put a certain number of Velcro items on the strips on the right and find the corresponding matching numbers and put them in the circle on the left-hand side. As the student goes through the book, they will count the number of items in each strip and put the correct number to the right. The third book is called Ready to Group. In this book, you will put numbers in the pockets. Students will find the correct number of items and put them in the Velcro strip underneath each number on the right-hand side of the page. The inserts that go into the pockets have the prompt on one side, the dots, and the reverse side has just the number. More grouping works on the same concept of grouping in a different format. To set up this book, you will put the numbers on the right-hand side and a row of 10 items Velcroed to the left-hand side in each row. Students will work across in rows and put the correct number of items next to each number. Ready to Add works on addition skills. To set up this book, you'll put 10 items on the bottom strip of Velcro on the right-hand side of the page. You'll put addition problems into the pockets on the right-hand page, and then put the corresponding answers to those problems on the left-hand side in the circle. Students will take the items from the bottom of the right-hand page, match them underneath the number, and then count the total number of items to get the answer. They will then take that answer and move them from the left-hand circle to the right-hand black box. As with the previous book, one side of the numbers that go in the pockets have the prompts with the dots, and the other side has just the number. The blank squares on the left-hand side are used as distractors. If you only want to give the student a choice of 2 or 3 answers, use the white squares to take up space on the left-hand side. The final book is called More Adding. To set up this book, you will put numbers in the pockets for the addition problems. Put the answers to those problems in the left-hand side of the book in the circle. The numbers that go in the pockets, again, have prompts on one side with the dots and just the numbers on the other side. To complete the problems, the students will do the addition problems and put the answers from the left-hand side into the black boxes on the right-hand side.